Ladies and gentlemen, Laguna ang laging una. This is your captain speaking. We're now beginning our descent into our final destination. We look forward to seeing you on board again soon. Again, this is your captain, Dr. Johnny Oliveros for Sincola Jr., PDA Laguna Chapter, Sambisig President 2023-2024, a dentist by day, a traveler at heart, and a learner all through life, now transitory signing out.
You don't have to be perfect.
I bet most of you are excited because tonight, all your hard work, especially to our dear club presidents, will be recognized and awarded.
No fears or regrets. Just take the
And
jump
lastly,
and hold your
Dear
breath.
God Almighty,
It feels good
a
to
heart
be
full of
alive.
gratitude. I thank you for guiding me through my term as PDA Laguna Dental Chapter President. Your strength and grace sustain me. I am deeply thankful for your constant presence and support on this journey.
Can you feel it? There's a rush in me.
Thank you for flying with us today. PDA LCI 62, flight number 2023-2024.
Can you hear it? There's a steady sound getting louder as our feet touch down. Follow the night until it's ringing out loud. 'Cause we found
What I mean is hindi importante yung award. Sa totoong buhay, ang most important is yung friendship na nakikreate.
So we hold on and enjoy the ride. After all the ups and downs, this is our time. Enjoy the ride. Can you see it? There's a distant shore getting closer. We want nothing more than to dance in the waves like we've never danced before.
Again, maraming salamat po to Laguna Dental Chapter, to all of you. Isang magandang gabi po at muli, mabuhay ang PDA. Let's continue going above and beyond the best in dentistry.
And enjoy the ride. After all the ups and downs, this is our time. Yeah, we hold on through this wild ride. I know we'll make it count. This is our time. Enjoy the ride.
These are all about appreciation and gratefulness and celebrating victory.
So we hold on and enjoy the ride. After all the ups and downs, this is our time. Yeah, we hold on through this wild ride. I know we'll make it count. This is our time. Enjoy the ride.
great flying with you all. Mabuhay ang PDA Laguna Chapter. Mabuhay sa PISIG.
Joy